Keep your Samsung phone updated to fix bugs, boost performance, and get new features. In this video, I'll show 3 easy ways to update your Galaxy phone. Method 1. How to check software updates on Samsung manually. Swipe up to open settings. Tap Software Update. Download updates manually. Follow the on-screen steps to install. For Samsung with Android 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, from the home screen, swipe up to open your apps. Go to Settings, Software Update, download and install before confirming. If an update is available, simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Method 2. How to download Samsung software updates automatically. Open Settings, Software Update. Tap Download and Install. Turn on Auto Download over Wi-Fi to get updates automatically. Method 3. How to update Samsung software on schedule. Open Settings, Software Update. Tap Download and Install Update Schedule. Set the time and day. Connect to Wi-Fi and keep enough battery.